Take two of my sensitive phone. Guys, the S7 is very sensitive. So just be aware of that. If you ever have an S7 and you don't want to use a case, you're asking for trouble. Alright? So anyway, this is your boy. This is day 26 of the Keto Experiment Shred Prep. Your boy is 180.1, but he's not going to stress it. Let me tell you how much I'm not going to stress it. Your boy is going to cheat tonight. I mean, a legitimate cheat. And when I say cheat, what that means is I'm going to disregard protein, period. Okay? My fat's probably going to be about the same, so your boy is probably looking at eating about 4,000 calories as opposed to the 2,600 that he normally eats. Okay? I think I deserve it. I think I've been being conscious enough to be a little bit unconscious. And that's kind of like how I do my cuts, guys. I do a lot of consciousness. I try to be as conscientious as possible, guys, but I don't try to be perfect because, you know, perfection is bound to fail. Does that make sense, guys? You know, perfection is not is kind of like a goal as opposed to being the mission. And I don't beat myself up when I make mistakes. And in fact, I plan mistakes. Okay, like tonight, your boy's gonna have that nice marbled Australian steak from Trader Joe's, which I have to tell you guys, I keep doing it to myself. I keep going out and buying these expensive dry-aged, okay, 28-day aged ribeye steaks, grass-fed and all this kind of stuff. So far, I haven't found a better steak, guys. So if you have a Trader Joe's and they have that Australian, New Zealand strip loin steak, or they have the ribeye, guys, I highly recommend it. All right? Okay, back to the story. Okay, so your boy's hungry. He ain't ate too much today. And I made it to a really nice gym today. It's called Equinox. If you guys live in the city, you know about Equinox. I really had a great time today. I really enjoyed myself. I took some time for myself, guys. I worked really hard this week. I worked extra hours. You know, your boy has a boy, okay? And my little boy, he needs that money. He needs that formula. So I'm here. I'm on my grind now, okay? So, guys, it's time for y'all to start paying me. Hand me that sponsorship, okay? Your boy, the bodybuilder, is here, all right? And trust me, it's only going to get better, all right? Now, I told you guys early on that I wasn't going to get it, but guys, I did it, okay? I bought myself, this is a ketone blood meter, okay? This is going to tell me if I'm actually in ketosis. You know, I highly believe I am, but I guess we need to check, right? So I finally went out and bought it. This is called Keto Mojo. This is probably not the top brand, but this is one of the newer brands. And I really like what the owner had to say on one of the message boards. He or she basically, you know, just said that they put their money and their lives on the line to bring a good quality product to the market that's less expensive than the leading one, which I know is really, really expensive. And forget about the product being expensive. This cost me about $60, guys. It comes with these strips, these ketone test strips. Those ketone test strips are no joke, guys. They're no